Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you enjoy watching and want more, go ahead and subscribe. I keep things simple, helpful, and easy to understand. Let's jump in.
Removing the Zoom integration from Outlook is a quick process that helps declutter your calendar and email interface. If you no longer use Zoom or prefer a different meeting platform, you can uninstall the add-in in just a few simple steps. Start by opening the Outlook desktop application on your computer. Look at the ribbon on the Home tab. Find the button labeled Get Add-ins or All Apps. Click this button to open the Add-ins Store window. Once the window appears, click on the My Add-ins tab on the left side or the top menu. Scroll through your list of installed tools until you see the Zoom for Outlook choice. Click the three dots in the corner of the Zoom icon and select Remove. If you are using Outlook on the web through a browser, the process is very similar. Log into your account and open a new message or a calendar event. Click the ellipsis or the apps icon. Select Manage Add-ins from the drop-down menu. This will take you to your list of active integrations. Find Zoom and toggle it off or click the Remove button. Some users might also need to check their computer settings if the add-in was installed as a standalone program. Open your Windows settings and go to the Apps section. Look for the Zoom Outlook plugin in the list and click Uninstall. After completing these steps, restart your Outlook application to ensure the changes take effect. Your toolbar should now be clean and free of the Zoom icon. This process works for most modern software versions.
Thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, tap the thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss anything new. See you next time.